How to switch accounts on Spotify? First of all, you have to open any preferred browser, or you can also open the applications on your mobile devices. Since I'm on the PC, once you're on this preferred browser, just on the web address bar type in spotify.com. Press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to the official interface of a Spotify account where you need to log into your Spotify account. If you haven't, then you have to log in first of all, then only you can switch to other accounts. On this existing account, you need to click on the up right corner or the top right corner of the screen, and on the drop down menu box select the logout button. Once you have clicked on the logout, you need to click on the login button again at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can easily enter the credential of the other account that you want to switch on the Spotify application. You can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple, or simply you can enter the email or username and the password if you wish to remember or save your details here, then you need to check mark or toggle on the button of remember me and click on login button. Once you have logged in, you will successfully switch to your another account on Spotify. So that was it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then just subscribe our channel, hit the notification bell and like this video for more updates. Thank you and see you in the next video. Watch the video till the end. If you're wondering if accounts have two devices, watch the video till the end. You have to open the preferred browser, or you can also open the applications on your mobile devices. Then, since I'm on the PC, suppose once you're on this preferred browser, just on the web address bar type in spotify.com on your mobile, or press enter on the keyboard. Suppose if you have logged into your this will take you to the official interface of Spotify account. Suppose if where you need to log into your Spotify account. If you haven't, then you have to log in first of all, then only you can switch to other accounts. On this existing account, you need to click on the up right corner or the top right corner of the screen address, or you can also use your phone, and on the drop down menu box select the logout button. Once you have clicked on the logout, you need to click on the login button again at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can easily enter the credential of the other account that you want to switch on the Spotify application. You can also continue with Google, Facebook or Apple, or simply you can enter the email or username and the password if you wish to remember or save your details here, then you need to check mark or toggle on the bottom of remember me and click on login button. Once you have logged in, you will successfully switch to your another account on Spotify. So that was it guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to enable just subscribe our channel, so that you never miss the bell and like this video for more updates. Thank you and see you in the next video. So in this way you can easily use the same Snapchat accounts how to switch accounts on Spotify. If first of all you have to open the like browser, or you can also open the applications on your mobile devices. Since I'm on the PC, and click on the login button. Now you have to enter the password of your account. If you forget your password, click on forgotten password. Otherwise, you can simply continue entering your password. Now click on the next button. And as you can see that a pop-up message has appeared that says if you want to enable browser notifications so that you never miss out the latest chats and calls from your friends, if you wish to enable, click on it, otherwise click on not now. So in this way you can easily use the same Snapchat accounts on two devices. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, then do like our videos If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. First of all, open any preferred browser. Then on the web address bar, type in spotify.com. Press enter on the keyboard. This will open the official web page of Spotify application. At the top right corner, you will get sign up and login button. So to create an account on Spotify, just click on sign up button. Here you need to enter your email address or you can sign up with Google, Facebook and Apple. So you need to enter the email address and click on the next button. Now you'll be taken to this page where you have to create a strong password which contains at least one letter, number or special character and 10 characters. So let's enter the password and click on the next button. Now you have to tell about yourself, your name, date of birth and the gender. Click on next and then you have to agree to the terms and condition. So if you want Spotify to send user offers from Spotify, you can check mark this box. If you want to share your registration data with Spotify's content provider for marketing purpose, you need to check mark this. And if you agree to the Spotify terms and condition of use and privacy policy, just check mark this small box and click on the sign up button. If you wish to save the password, click on save, otherwise click on never. Once you are done with all the steps, your account has been successfully created on Spotify. If you want to check it out, you can click on this profile at the top right corner of the screen and go to profile and check it. Otherwise, you can also go to accounts and check it. So this is how you can easily create account on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like our videos. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.